All me a fight for come out. And all me attorney I said them have 72 hours for let you out. And any 72 hour come and then I let you out. Them have to let you out because that's by law. I have this particular police lady down there. I have her number. I even have her on my main page on TikTok. Me and her a friend in the say, you know, she love me and she like my spirit and thing. And me I said, in myself, I say, she talk to me every day. She like my spirit. She's so nice to me and she treat me different than everybody else. And she know in herself, so you can't hold somebody for 72 hours. So why you still have me? Till all one at the time now, she say, I'm going to call ICE and see if they're not going to pick you up. And me I say, why you don't really want to call ICE? Yeah, you get what me I say? Me I say, just let me out. If I promise some other police, they would have let you out. And me I say, why you going to call ICE now? You know, say a woman call ICE to come pick me up and ICE come pick me up the next day. And God put it that way because guess what happened? You see, during the time when me get bail, if I did take up that bail and go home, 3 days after that was my court date for immigration, go see an immigration judge, you know. I didn't know that. You see, anyhow, me did get for come out the day after bail. Me da come out and me da miss my court date. And me da in a one worse situation right now. Because me da come out on bail and me da there in my yard and it would have show up on paper say, because if me tell them, say, me get locked up, them would have say, alright, you get locked up, we understand. But we see that the bail, you pick up your bail on this day. So 3 days after was your court date, what happened after that? You know what me da there? On the first flight I got Jamaica. Because if you never know, say, when you miss an immigration court, you know, nothing can save you, you know. Nothing can save you when you miss an immigration court, you know. Judge assign straight for you go back to your yard, you know. Unless you have valid reasons, doctor letter or something for say in the hospital or you're getting a one accident or you have to have something legit for sure with your attorney. But if you miss it, them not getting a chance to judge assign removal. When they catch you, you go straight to detention. I know them are going to have you as flight risk. So it's either you go home, sometimes you might get a chance to see a judge and sometimes you don't get the chance to see a judge because of this depends on the situation. Then just make you go and then catch you and put you at detention and take a flight to your yard. Or some of them appeal it and probably do them case and see where they go. So I tell you, say, that's why I say everything happened for a reason. Because during that time when me I kill for come out, God put it in the way for say, alright, we're going to hold her at detention. And so then hold me at detention. So the day when I go court, I could go court because I did detain. So that's why my court date end up change now from outside to inside the courthouse in a detention. And you know when I come out, it change and now I wait for your court date. So that's why I share say anything in life happen to me. Me not really worry about it, you know. I just put it as God, everything happen for a reason. So all who are rejoice and can't wait for when me I go back home, them catch me at airport. Me I look on it, if anything happen, God forbid, if anything for happen at all, me just look on it that it happened for a reason. When it really take me have time, I worry about things. Me don't really put things for my head, you know. Because if me afraid, I would take a plane come the body. That's the first thing. Because I see them run up and down and say, I'm afraid from jump when I'm afraid. Somebody were afraid not even Uber car can see them where they turn in at their house. Everything they have up on Uber Eats. Somebody were afraid not even the snow at the door can fall upon their shoes. But yet still, I still take a plane come here, so, for the body. I'm not afraid. The Bible tells us that these near. The Bible tells us that in times like this is near, you know, when governments are going to have big fight, you know. The Bible tells us that there's going to come a time when the government start rule and start mash up the earth and nobody else not have no control and they feel like they're mighty and higher than everybody. And see me live to see it go on now. Everybody fear of this man. Everybody fear. Everybody in the little bagger. It's a man just like I mean I understand why people rejoice for you go home. Bro, just say a bad mind for me make money. Just say no like say me I make money. That's it. Just say that you don't like for me making money. That's it. Me say a Shibada saying can't wait for Donald Trump send around me and cheese. You there Jamaica and we there in America. I will get so much trouble in America. You're not supposed to want we at Jamaica. You should have said no one we down there because we can come down there and give same trouble. You see what you get me say? You shouldn't worry about if them for send me home. Cause you there Jamaica and if me get so much trouble and you can't stand me, you shouldn't even want me at Jamaica where you there. You should have tell them if you keep me up there or ship me to one next country. You shouldn't want me come back in a one place, in a one circle where you there. That means I know my trouble or problem. And where you see, and my greatness is a problem, you know. Things that me I get, things that me I do. And that's a bad whole heap of people. Because I catch the stocks now. I go back to Jamaica. What go happen? Me not homeless, you know. I have a big yard I watch it. And besides, I still need to live with her when I pay me one rent. I know if I go to Jamaica, I go live in a better place than where I did live before. I live in a top apartment now. Probably buy a little vehicle down there because Jamaica that and learn how to drive. Probably go to Jamaica and probably even stay at Jamaica and probably fly out to one little small island. Or probably let my sister give me one welcome letter for go to England or something. TikTok still there the way you can use. Favorited still there the way you can use. YouTube still there the way you can use. So I don't see why a big deal. I don't see why a big deal. No. And the only way ice can take me up if the Trump thing really serious, car. First thing, me not a felony. Me not talk about me a felony. Me never convicted in America yet. Me not have no felony. The last time me in a courthouse and judge tell people if you come with proof of this and that. I know proof can come. They not gonna tell you that. In a second court, I know proof can come. I one court, me have a blood clot going on. I'm here now say me have court February 4th or 3rd. I don't have court that day. Y'all only put out what you want to put out, you know. Why you don't put out the recent updates now? You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna put out the recent up there. I don't know where you get this from that I'm gonna go court and ICE is gonna this. Hell no, baby. There's a lot of changes happen. But if you choose the other way around, you guys not gonna put it out there. Guys, you know say my back hot me now. Bumbo clot. TikTok are really crosses as me come over here my backster. You know how long me there on favorited? And my back now at me. Talk truth guys, I lie. Look how long me there and me on a reason I burn too alkaline and back never there at me. As me turn on TikTok some back start at me to pussy card. Come here cause no sir. We don't need to wash off man. Wash off. As me turn on TikTok my back still have to get up now. So I go wash off man, too baga. Whoa, it's just the raw truth. Urban, me not tell no lie, your man look sensible, you know. Me I tell you, it's just the raw truth. Your man no look sensible, girl, cause me not mix up in all the baga corner. My business, but why do you me there pick up for you, you know? And me say a man love you, you know, you're married for decades. And me I say, yeah, girl, I'm an ugly girl for you, you know. Me say, you shame me. Me say, I'm an ugly girl for you, you know. I'm an ugly girl and I want video for you, you know. After you just make video about me, say, I'm a careless life, you know. I'm an ugly girl for you, you know. And me I say, bad to bad, you look good, man. You look young and fresh, but when me go up on fair page and see fair man, you come like the man them when me take. Then I say, then your man look right here, nah, you look like he's sick. Like he's slow, I don't know, like he has some slowness. It's alright. It's alright. Nobody is perfect. All the way, go through. Right now, that's why 16 balloon can cost me in a car. Only thing me not married neither. 2 hours run on the same boat. 2 hours just a surgery. 2 hours man, it did man problem right through and surgery right through. Nobody can keep no man, so she could argue with me. But urban fear man no look right is. 10 look at 10 are more sense than fear man. I tell you that's the truth, it's just the raw blood clot truth. 10 have more sense, 10 are gangster. Fear man no look sensible. I don't care nobody wants it. You look like Caan. You look like blood clot Caan. This long teeth jacket. Caan look like them blood clot lizard. He said, boy, teeth me pillar, you know? No, I know me can't believe. Every day I get up, me look for your pillar. Hey boy, teeth me pillar. I'm gone with my pillar. I'm put my pillar around your neck and then I come text me love you and get ready. You wait, man. I show a phone a country and me I go and build myself, you know. I build myself. I miss Ice, you see, and Louis. Guys, I lie me I tell, afraid you fuck for go through. Hey, afraid you fuck. No, I can't hold you, I lie. Hey, I can't put on a show for long, you know. Afraid no blood clot. Right now, not even out a door me now go. Me say, if we my blood clot friend, me don't even know if me fi fly or take a plane or fi walk. Me don't even know if I fi swim. I don't even know how me go reach back at me yard to pussy clot. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm afraid. No blood clot me not telling a lie because I can't afford them to catch me. No. I can't afford for them to catch me. I have ice. I cannot afford nobody to pick me up. So I'm not right now. Hurt around red. Me I wonder if the people them just say this to me get afraid or a reality are gone. Me I wonder if people them are trying to scare me or what about it happen for true. Cause I'm afraid. Imagine me don't even want to imagine it. I don't even want to imagine it. How am I going to go home then? What am I going to do? No, you laugh like a joke, a serious something, and me not laugh, you know? Uber, me can't go in a Uber for so much hours. So how when me I go, nothing happen? And somebody said the funny thing at Miami airport, you know. Charger. Moving silent. Nobody don't know when me I go home. But me just afraid. I'm afraid, man. If me have state ID, me have state ID and me have my permit and my thing them. But here why worst thing. Some of them I tell me go Miami airport, some of them I tell me go Fort Lauderdale. And you know, I'm sure all the world tricky. Me might just change the airport and just get catching them. And you see what I'm sure? You might just change where you really are. You might change your blessings and that, you know. You might change your blessings. You might secure with where you go. And you make me that tell you about change and go there so and you go change now. And when they think now I get fuck at this I get fuck, you know. You might walk on the path and make some people lead in a destruction. Wait, don't move. May I come here? May I come? Hurt around red. Boy, I'm afraid, you know. I'm afraid for true, man.